Hola amigos and bienvenidos. Hello friends and welcome to a new lesson of Spanish Language Learning Center. And today we'll be talking about days of the week. So yes, we have 7 days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's what we call in English. And how do we call them out in Spanish? Let's find it out. So here comes the first one. Monday, that is lunes, lunes. Tuesday, martes, martes. Wednesday, a little bit confusing or difficult may seem initially, but as the time goes, you'll be just fine. Miércoles, miércoles. You see the accent over here on E, so we'll have to stress it out. Miércoles. Next one is Thursday. Jueves, jueves. Favorite day of the week? Friday. Viernes, viernes. Saturday, the lazy day. Sábado, sábado. You see the accent over here on top of A? So we'll have to give the stress. Sábado. And Sunday, that is domingo, domingo. Let's call all these days again. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Come on, call out with me. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. All right, let's now go and try to use them in few sentences. So the first one being, someone asks you, what day is today? And you want to say, today is Wednesday. So how do we say that? So the word for today is hoy, H-O-Y in English, hoy. And for is, we'll use the third form of ser, that is. And Wednesday, we know it is miércoles, miércoles. So yes, our answer would be hoy es miércoles. What day is today? Hoy es miércoles. All right, let's go for the next one. Someone asks you, what day was yesterday? And you want to say, yesterday was Tuesday. So the word for yesterday is ayer, ayer. And here we'll use the preterite form of ser again as we are talking about time. And the word for Tuesday we know is martes, martes. So our answer would be ayer fue martes. What day was yesterday? Ayer fue martes. Yesterday was Tuesday. Ayer fue martes. Okay. The third one, again, what day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. So the word for tomorrow is mañana. Mañana. And again, we'll use the third form of ser, that is. And Friday we know viernes. So our response would be mañana es viernes. Tomorrow is Friday. Mañana es viernes. So yes, we learned quite a lot of words in last few minutes. Let's go and check out a Spanish calendar, a nice calendar which I've taken from Renfe, the National Railway website of Spain. And now, how do we read it? So yes, first of all, when we are talking about week, so the word for it is semana. So that's the Spanish translation of week. And yes, now let's go on to this calendar. So we see this nice little block. It says Dome 140321. So Dome we know it is a short form of Domingo. That is Saturday. No, no, it's not Saturday. It is Sunday. Yes, Saturday is Sábado. Domingo is Sunday. So it says Dome Sunday 14th March 21. And over here it is says Lune, which you know, lunes, which is for Monday. So Monday is what? 15th March 2021 over here. And on the top of it, right here, hoy, dom, 14 de Mars. So actually, how do I read in Spanish? Hoy, that means today. Dom, domingo, that means Sunday. 14, we know from numbers. 14, marzo. Hoy, domingo 14 de marzo. Today, Sunday, 14th of March. And here's the calendar for March 2021. And we see the days of the week: lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. So yes, now when we have a Spanish calendar in front of us, we know what day to what day and what month are we talking about. Let's try a few more sentences over here. Actually, not few more. They're just one which I have as of now. So yes, how do I say? There are 7 days in a week. So let's try to break all these words. Week, from here we know it is semana. 7, from our numbers lesson we know un, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. So siete is the word for 7 days. So the word for days is días. Días. So let's look at the translation. Hay 7 días en una semana. There are 7 days in a week. En is a word for in, una for a, semana, that's week. And because semana is the feminine word, so that's why we have added a to our un. Hay 7 días en una semana. There are 7 days in a week. Hay 7 días en una semana. So that's all we have for now in the days of the week section, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.